RedMagic, who listens to advice, has finally released their true small-sized tablet. Let me give you an early experience of the yet-to-be-released RedMagic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro. First, regarding the size that everyone is most concerned about, it has finally been reduced to 9.06 inches. Compared to the 8.8-inch Lenovo Y700, the 4th gen, their sizes are almost the same. The RedMagic screen bezels are narrower, the rounded corners is handled more beautifully, and the screen-to-body ratio is very high. From the front, it really has an iPad mini feel. This time, it uses a more expensive OLED screen, which is quite unique among small tablets, with a peak brightness of 1100 nits. Compared to the Y700 4th gen, it should be quite obvious which one is better, whether in terms of brightness or screen perception. And for the most important aspect, the touch control, I can only tell you for now that it uses a Synaptics Touch IC. It's also a Touch IC currently recognized by gamers as quite authoritative, so I want to elaborate further here. Since the software is still in the debugging phase, I will give you a detailed follow-up review on the touch control after its release. It also has a thoughtful little detail that I really like. The C port has been moved up, so when charging and playing, you no longer have to worry about it blocking your hand. As for other performance aspects, let's wait until after the release to test them for you. However, you can rest assured about RedMagic's performance schedule. But looking at the appearance and size this time, I feel that RedMagic is very receptive to advice. What do y'all think?